Go.
Well, look, since we met on the 17th of July this year, 2009,
Right.
when we looked at the house at number 34 Fuller Street, Chester Hill, well, it's a long story really, but I guess for us to successfully buy the house today, really, Tom, it depends on your resilience, and it depends very largely to your encouragement, and to your efforts, to be able to, feel disturbed, we call you at any time, and you're ready to take the phone, at some point when we applied to various banks and
You almost
stuff like
gave
that.
up.
Sorry?
You almost gave up before.
Yeah, we almost, we thought this, we can't make it. We said, okay, we're going to wait till next year, and then we'll start all over the process again. And you said, no, Andrew, look, you can't wait. You do it this now, or you do it next year, it's going to be the same thing.
Exactly.
And besides, in fact, if you do it now, it means you'll be buying your own house till next year. You would have built up an equity.
Exactly. What does that mean to you and the family, and what the difference between?
Look, we are very much happy. I mean, the bottom line of it all, myself, Andrew Sankor and Kadiatu Sankor, we are very much happy that you've made it possible for us, to buy our own house, and we can't wait to move in a month's time to that house, and we'll tell you more about how much we'll feel when we get into the house. And frankly speaking, without you, we could not have achieved this, and so we just thank you very much, and your team, Kim and Duan at the Commonwealth Bank. We just thank the collective effort you guys have put together to make this happen. And I tell you what, it happened in a week.
Right.
Just a week.
Yeah.
The whole thing happened in a week, which is just fantastic. I guess I get other guys from our community and other people we've met before, and recommend you to come and meet you if they have any problems in terms of wanting to buy a house. Then you will be the best person to meet anyway.
Thanks very much for that.
So thank you very much for that. I wanted to tell the owner as well that I want to thank the owner himself, because for him to be patient enough, to hold the house from July up to today. Believe me, we could have lost the house. And that house is a perfect house for us.
That's
5 bedrooms, you can't get anywhere.
Yeah, and how much you paying rent right now, if you don't mind me asking?
We paying $660.
Do you know how much you're expecting to pay after you own the own home?
We're paying just $1,000.
Which is, how much is that per week?
$1,000
per fortnight.
For a fortnight.
So you really save about $100 something.
So we're saving quite a lot of money, and we are paying towards something that we are buying.
Right.
So we are just putting an extra maybe $240, and then we are buying our own house. So it means we are saving the $660, which we are paying in rent. Just because we have been able to put $240 on top of the $660, now we are saving the $660.
Yeah, that's
and at
crazy,
the same time having the $240,
Exactly.
So which is really, I think it's a nice thing. We have already raised the deposit, so there was no point for us to wait anyway. So we just want to thank you very much for the whole thing.
All right. Thanks very much for that, Andrew. If you don't mind, I'm sharing this video with others.
I don't mind at all. I really don't mind for you to go ahead and use this as a way to get others to come on board. But I guess we are very much satisfied the way you dealt with us anyway. Frankly speaking. And I think others should be confident that you'll be able to help them.
Thank you.
Yeah.